Alexa, if you fart a lot, what's your condition?
Google it, people. No, Google it. It's facts, Roger.
Let's not even know this. Remember, I have to Google this.
No, Google it. Me not joke. It's a sign of you having some kind of liver issue. And but the good thing is the liver is the only organ that can regenerate itself, so you can actually correct it. People who drink hard and take a lot of medication always have liver issue. It's just the fact.
If you fart a lot, what can cause that?
Your liver are responsible to take out the toxic out of your body, you know. So when the toxic now come out, it build up gas, so your fart.
Toxic.
What you mean? You never know. When me no hear your fart to your mouth, me hear BLAMDEM a fart to your mouth. So I think you can use film, but you know the fart that come to film out.
So what go on, Bella girl? You afraid of BLAMDEM making a turn on your camera?
No man, what happened? Me say me Roger, remember say me have my little office. So me go take fast and go buy wallpaper, so me I put on wall. The wall fuck up. You ever see the wall? So me I try to get somebody now to come fix it. Because I put this nice wallpaper, I'm gonna put it on, go say drop down, and it look terrible. And you know, so them are gonna rinse me out if them see this, so I have to fix it first.
Oh. You ever worry about them a rinse out you? Bella, if you fix it or not fix it, them a go rinse you. From a rinse, if you get a rinse, you go blood clot get. And if I pin up, I pin up. And if I wash, I wash. But I rinse, them a rinse you know.
Them done wash, rinse, dry me in me.
Celebrity have a big up. Mighty God.
The
Bella,
big-
so robot BLAMDEM no Bella?
I rub it out for man. I'm not afraid of dirty BLAMDEM. Me I rub him out.
Bella, you know who them BLAMDEM?
Yes, I remember. I mean, the first time I ever go over Blinger, the boy cussed me like dog. The first time I ever go Blinger,
Bella, you know him look?
me see one, me look up kill
Poor people.
Them send me a picture, I put it on my page. If you use the next phone and go up on my page.
Mine in a set up wrong people, you know.
You're right. So him not set up wrong people. Him.
He ain't support the picture wanna put up his
Wait a minute. Roger, 10 for in a while.
Batter that person there.
Roger, you say you never know, say Inga Miami and meat cheese. Cheese meat, BLAMDEM in a person, you know. You never know that? Axe cheese.
You never know that.
Axe cheese. When cheese they go up Miami with Varney, BLAMDEM come meat cheese. So people know him. Him thinks him a hide, but he can't hide.
Yeah, so how him look?
Him look like one big old fart. He look like leprosy. He look like Job. We have
Send
leprosy.
it to my WhatsApp. Send it to my WhatsApp. Let me see how him look.
When me come off of the phone, let me show you. So which I mean, so you know, see when cheese put him up.
No, it look like me not true. Remember meeting a little car accident last week, you know, so we did kind of off and disconnected and disengaged.
Are you not tell me? Me not chat to you.
No, Bella, me not even name them. Just come out of frostness. I'm not come beg you something yet.
No, but something like that. If you say me and your friend and you did something like that, you could have.
No, Bella, me not tell no, me not really tell nobody yet. Me not do nothing. Me just did out of my head and just did I get my head back together. So my head just come back now. When me get the little confidence can come and say me can beg two little things. Me not call or text somebody yet. Bella, me I come beg you one little 2 bills or so. Me I go take call you, Bella, girl. I know you're upset because me not really call you for what day.
No, not with you, no. Because me shop closed until the New Year's. But you know your payment method, so you don't have to worry.
Yeah, 2 people, 2 rows. Bella, you think me know you're done with my Bella. So me not call you.
No man, me not done with you, man. Me just
use the phone like that, Bella. You don't understand me, no. Me is not a phone person.
I'm not either. To be honest with you, so I fully understand.
Me with there on the phone, put on around this and now look on it. Me not a phone person, you know. JetBlue Airways, mighty God. JetBlue Airways, you can't be get some bigger than a rose. I fly with you what they are JetBlue. And me I tell you, say JetBlue Airways, I never like it.
Me not have no
Here
problem.
one, nobody make me bring you down JetBlue Airways. Me I beg you something JetBlue. Make up for the way it named the JetBlue.
We are make up for Roger.
JetBlue, cause I never really love the flight.
Them okay. Them just not have no first class. That's why I don't really care for them.
Yeah, them not have no first class, true.
Yeah, that I mean, and the little seat. What am I tell of it? Thank
More
you.
extra leg room.
Thank you, my love. I appreciate that.
More extra leg room.
No, but it's good though. Yeah, I mean, you can get lecture, but it's nothing like first class.
Nene wagwan. I don't like it. I want to go on Delta because I want to go in a first class when they have the little box something for yourself and you can sleep in there.
The best first class American airlines still. Them treat you like princess and king.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. A Caribbean airline not too bad, but sure, you know, sometimes they can't matter with them. Them too. But anyway, yeah. Let me tell you, Roger. You see, BLAMDEM, he's a parasite.
Yeah.
He's a serpent. And you see, chewing can't fall through him body, he might fall through him mouth now. And he have 1 foot for one banana peel and one in the grave. So as he's slipping, also going to slide right into the grave. So he might try to take soul before he goes. So that's why you see him walk on the internet and be so freaking miserable. He can't help it. A serpent.
Tavi big up back, but I can't get a sniper as a team.
No, they can't do that. Remember say this is Queen Bella. If you don't know, now you know, Roger. It's not going to happen. So dirty BLAMDEM, come tell the people them say you fumble double your 11-year-old sister and put her in the hospital. And come tell the people them say you don't have no liver left or you don't have no body wall left and you have fat to your mouth. And that's what we want to hear about. Thank you, my love. Thank you so much. You know somebody never say who? How would you feel? Thank you so much. When
Snipe for me, celebrity Tavi, big up yourself, celebrity Tavi.
Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, man. BLAMDEM to come down now. Him to come tell the people them about himself. You know, say I make issue though. You know, say at first man, I mean, the second one, me know we fart through them mouth though, because they can't fart through them body. You never hear my burp, Roger, you think say I burp in my burp? And I burp in my burp, I fart in my fart, but I through mouth it a come.
Jesus.
Yes. And him use the people them TikTok money. I send God Jamaica put it for the people them wiping it. So watch yourself, Roger. Don't say nothing too hard because he might make money on TikTok now, but he might use ya send it to Jamaica for the people them wiping it.
Put it for me.
So watch out for him.
Me for watch out for you. Me that for more watch out for me, Bella. Everybody big up BZ in your hole. Big up.
We not tell them. We see the people them don't know. The people them don't know. So, Roger, remember say one part in the Bible saying, no, do not cast your purse to swine.
Do not cast
your purse to swine.
Our name, so how that go? How that mean?
Like for instance, if them a give them money and they might use them money to kill people, pitney, them never have no money left. Them just all get money.
No blame them and play to kill people.
You know him say it. You know, listen to the screen recording.
No, me not listen, me not know. That's why me ask. I want to get clarity because I don't want to run with no false news. Bella, as bad as thing me be, you know, Bella, me not run with false news. All when BLAMDEM want to say a million things, but me, I don't run with false news.
He might walk around and tell the people say I'm a bad man and he might put it back.
3 people, 3 road, me not know. So, me have to get the 411 properly. Properly.
But I only hope, you see, like how you are asked to prove now and you are asked to stuff like that, that is very good. So I want the people to take a page out of your book and when it come on the internet and I put people boy putting the life in a danger, them need to ask.
One more person, 1 rose.
Them need to ask him to say 4 rose people. I think 4 rose.
Somebody come on, me I beg something, man. Me I beg on something. Celebrity Tavi, me I beg even one puss in the morning. Anything I have still, me not pressure. I'm a dope.
So all the New Year's are going for you, Roger?
Not good.
Not good? Then if you broke up in a car accident and you not tell nobody, you keep
You
it to
not
yourself
broke up. Which broke up your tabo?
mentally. That's what you say.
Oh yeah, man, I'm broken mentally, shattered.
Yeah, so you may work with your man. You say so, you know, remember saying not spread and fall news for you.
No, when you say broke up, you have to
Yes,
fix it,
good,
but you don't know what
Papa.
broke up mean.
Roger, I'm entitled to create my own language.
I'm entitled to interpret it how I interpret it. Lady Bella don't run put me in this man. Bella don't make me have to blame
And
them.
that's why I clear it up. You say you're mentally broken up. Because you have to
Come
get it right.
to up the score, people. It's
You
apologetically
handle
me
it.
there for come hype up my badness. Celebrity having no money, I have to go do better. Sexy Maria gone. I went to go, folks.
Everybody over here, please follow Misunderstood. Please and thanks.
Aquarian goddess. What more? Aquarian